Hi, I'm Teresa Hoffman with ERA Reardon Realty Great Lakes, and today I'm going to be making some of my family's favorite wet burritos. So let's get started. We have lean ground beef, which I seasoned with Trader East. Usually about a pound of hamburger, probably a quarter cup. Then we got blended cheese. We have Rotel tomatoes. We have some chilies, and we have onion. And today, just like buying a house, you had to start with a good foundation. And so what I do is I use my refried beans and I spread it all over to make this foundation. And it also acts as a little paste when you start to roll them. So in the next step, I use a little bit of cheese. For my spicy group, I put a little bit of these tomatoes, a little bit of chilies. I gotta be careful with these babies. And we do some onion. And then we do a little bit of burrito meat, probably about a third of a cup. And then we're gonna make the magic happen. We're gonna make it roll, hopefully. So you pull it from the bottom up, and then you take the sides over like this, and then you tuck and roll. And then you place in your pan with some enchilada sauce down. I use the mild sauce just to give it a base down there. And then we have a very large crowd here today, so I'll repeat this whole process of filling up this pan with my wet burritos. You can make these. We do have a vegetarian today, and my family has a lot of vegetarians. So you can make this with the griller crumbles. Just do it the same process and just substitute this meat out. And I also use the vegetarian refried beans. You can use black beans. You can spice it up any way you want to. So we finished up with 7 more of our burritos. Then we're gonna take the red enchilada sauce. I use the mild, like I said before, and we're just going to drizzle it all over the top, like that. And then, the goodness, Fiesta blend cheese is gonna go all over this. Who doesn't love cheese? I do. Cheese is my downfall. You like cheese, Lacey?
I love cheese.
And then we're gonna set our oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to bake these for about 30 minutes until they're nice and bubbly and hot. And we'll come back and let you see the end product. Now for the final touches. We've been in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. And we're gonna take, Lacey, if you wanna get in here and take a look at this. Yummy, yummy. And here we go. And take it out. And here. And then we're gonna take a little bit of sour cream. Everybody loves sour cream. Right. A little dash of crema, avocado. And then, oh, we gotta get a fork. Let's see, are we ready to dig into this? All right. Take a little piece here. I hope it doesn't burn my mouth. Here we go. That's really good. So, if you have any questions about this recipe, you can just put it in the comments. And if you have any questions about real estate, please, no questions too big or too small. Remember, I'm Teresa, ERA, your hometown real estate.